Is snoring silently ruining your relationship? Snoring doesn't just disrupt sleep. It can slowly chip away at emotional closeness and connection. But with the right anti-snoring solution, you can finally sleep soundly and wake up closer than ever. Snoring affects more than sleep. Night after night of disrupted sleep can lead to frustration, resentment, and even separate bedrooms. It's more common than you think, and over time, this distance can hurt communication and intimacy. Why do we snore? Snoring is caused by vibrations in the airway during sleep. It can result from nasal congestion, sleep posture, excess weight, alcohol, or even sleep apnea. Identifying the cause is the first step toward a quiet, restful night. Which devices actually work? Today's sleep tech offers smart, effective tools for snore-free nights. Smart anti-snoring devices that detect vibrations and gently nudge you to change position. Nasal strips and dilators to open airways. Mouthpieces that adjust your jaw, called MADs. Chin straps for mouth breathers, and anti-snoring pillows that support better alignment. Many couples say the right device saved their relationship. Better sleep leads to better mood, more patience, and feeling emotionally connected again. One small change can lead to lasting peace, for both of you. Reducing snoring lowers your risk of heart issues, daytime fatigue, and poor focus. And emotionally, you feel more present, more relaxed, and more loving, just from getting deeper, uninterrupted rest. Comfort is key. Look for a device that suits your cause of snoring, is easy to clean, and feels natural to use. Check reviews, try different options, and consider your partner's feedback too. Remember, consistency is what leads to results. For best results, combine your device with healthy bedtime habits. Sleep on your side, stay hydrated, skip alcohol before bed, and maintain a healthy weight. These small changes amplify the benefits and help both partners sleep better. You don't have to live with the stress of snoring. Take action with the right anti-snoring solution and rediscover peaceful, connected nights with your partner. Visit Martzia.com to explore smart devices designed to help both of you sleep better together.